If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Acrobat lets you manage the flow of text in PDF documents that contain areas of separated text. For example, this can help if designing a PDF like a newsletter, which often contains a single article which spans several pages. If printing the newsletter, you can tell readers to continue reading an article using text like continued on next page at the end of an article section. Alternatively, for users reading a PDF on an electronic device, you can help them find the next section of the article using article threads in Acrobat. You create an article thread in Acrobat by drawing a series of article boxes around the article's text content in the order in which to read the content. This then sets a navigational path for the article. To create an article thread using article boxes in Acrobat, first open a multi-page PDF in Acrobat. Then either click the Edit a PDF link in the All Tools panel, or click the Edit link in the top bar to show the Edit panel at the left side of the screen. Then click the More link below the Add Content section in the Edit panel to expand it if needed, and click the Article Box button. Your mouse pointer icon then looks like a crosshair when you hover it over the PDF page. To create the first article box for an article, click and drag to select the first part of the article's text. When you then release the mouse button, an article box appears around the text. At the top of the article box is an article box heading label containing two numbers. The first number is the article number, and the second number is the article box's number within the article. For example, the first article boxes are 1-1, 1-2, 1-3, and so forth. The second article in the same PDF labels its article boxes 2-1, 2-2, and so forth. Continue clicking and dragging over all the article's text on the pages in the PDF in the order you want users to read the article until you finish selecting all the article's text. When finished, press the Enter key on your keyboard to open the Article Properties dialog box. In this dialog box, enter the article's data into the fields for the article's title, subject, and author. You can also add article keywords if desired. When finished, click the OK button. You can then repeat the process to create additional articles in the PDF if needed. Alternatively, to exit article box selection mode in Acrobat if finished, press the Escape key on your keyboard. Note you cannot move or resize an article box until an article thread is fully defined. In other words, you must define all the article boxes for an article thread and then press the Enter key on your keyboard before editing any of the article's individual article boxes. To edit article boxes in Acrobat if needed, activate Article Box Selection Mode by clicking the Article Box button in the Edit panel. To see the articles in a PDF within the Articles panel in Acrobat, click the hamburger menu button in the title bar, roll down to the View command, then roll over the Show Hide command, then roll over the Side Panels command, and then select the Articles command. Alternatively, click the Articles button in the navigation pane at the right side of the screen in Acrobat. If needed, to add the Articles button to the navigation pane, right-click the navigation pane, and then select the Articles button in the pop-up menu that appears. After performing either action, the Articles panel then appears at the right side of the screen. To read an article in Acrobat, double-click the article's name in the Articles panel. Acrobat shows the article's first line in the upper left corner of the screen. To use the Articles panel to delete an entire article in Acrobat, click to select the name of the article to delete in the Articles panel. Then click the Delete button in the toolbar at the top of the Articles panel. Then click the OK button in the confirmation message box that appears to delete all the article boxes for the selected article. To delete individual article boxes from an existing article in Acrobat if needed, click the Article Box button in the Edit panel to activate it and show the article boxes in the PDF. Then right-click the desired article box's heading label, where the article box number appears, and select the Delete command from the pop-up menu that appears. Alternatively, click the article box's heading label to select it, and then press the Delete key on your keyboard. After performing either action, Acrobat then shows a dialog box that asks if you want to delete the entire article or just the selected article box. To delete the selected article box, click the Box button. Alternatively, to delete the entire article or cancel the process entirely, click the Article or Cancel button, respectively. To insert a new article box after an existing article box within an existing article in Acrobat, activate the Article Box button in the Edit panel, and then click the heading label of the article box after which to add the new article box to select it. Then click the small plus sign in the selected article box's lower right corner. Then click and drag to draw the new article box. When finished, press the Enter key on your keyboard. Article boxes that previously followed the selected article box are then renumbered to follow any new article boxes you draw. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.